This is a Decca HiFi 45 RPM record player amplifier brought to me as it was dead. It had been recapped, but it was still dead. What had happened to it was the resistors, all of them were bad. Just about every resistor in the machine was bad, beginning with the first dropping resistor in front of the selenium rectifier right here. A 33 ohm resistor, which you see right there. That killed the entire B plus for the set and made it totally inoperative. But after that was replaced, found out that the other resistors had also changed in value, some of them severely. For instance, this one resistor here, which is supposed to be a 3,000 ohm, had increased to 12,000 ohms. The 270K resistors had increased to over 1,000,000 ohms apiece, and so forth. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 resistors were bad in this amplifier. And now it works great. But it gives me a chance to talk about selenium rectifiers. They're misunderstood. A lot of people replace them, think they're no good. They're actually very good. One thing, they have a built-in resistance to surge, and they're far safer than using silicon rectifiers, especially in high voltage applications. So I highly recommend keeping them whenever possible. And they don't go bad that often. What usually goes bad is as I said, the feed resistors. The filter capacitor shorts out. You can see these have been changed here. The original cap was left here for appearance sakes. But leave the selenium rectifier alone. They're not hurting anything, and they work. They do their job very well. Matter of fact, they still use them today in battery chargers because they have such a built-in inherent what do you call it? The ability to absorb shock and surge. If you short the leads together, you're not going to hurt a selenium rectifier. And if they go bad, they kind of let you know. They have a smell like a rotten egg. But I can count on one hand in the past 40 or 50 years the number of selenium rectifiers that I've seen go bad. So just leave them alone. But anyway, so this is all set here. And interesting about these resistors, I'm going to try to get in a close-up here if I can. I'm going to change the, I don't know, you can't do it once the thing's filming. But if you notice, these here are a dull finish. They're not shiny. They're very dull, almost grainy in appearance. And those are the ones that I find are most apt to be bad. And they were like that when they were new. The newer ones are shiny. If you see this, I'm using mil-spec resistors here. If you see these, they're very shiny. The bodies are very shiny here, and the paint is very evenly distributed. They're very much higher quality resistors. So anyway, that's the story of the Decca 45 RPM record player amp. When Seeberg's Rock gets this back, you'll see the whole machine. But all I can show you right now is the amp.